So we've been in the finished part of the alteration since October. Favourite features of the renovation would probably have to be the ceiling that we've got up here. Our rake to ceiling, going to set it off really nicely actually, just gives it that little bit of point of difference. So yeah, that would be our favourite spot. Pretty fortunate with old houses, you know, they're built strong with natural timber. There's always a few little things like we found out where an old fireplace used to be underneath the floorboards when we were putting in the new toilet, and we wanted to carry on the natural timber through the toilet, but that was taken out when they took the old fireplace out and they put down jib boards. Yeah, there was a fair bit of work involved with that, but it certainly paid off to try and get that continuous flow and to really show off wooden floor. We originally thought it was a remove floor just because it was quite a dark reddish colour, but when we got it all sanded back it came quite pale, and the guy who was sanding it said it was actually a matte high timber. So we decided to give it a matte lacquer on it to try and keep it looking as natural as possible. And yeah, we were really impressed with the way the timber came up in the hallway. We kept some of the wooden slats here from the original bathroom, just to be able to incorporate some of the old with the new. And we also had a massive cavity in here which wasn't going to be used. We were a little bit stretched for storage space, so we decided to incorporate some shelving in here, again using the wooden slats from the original bathroom. And a good idea, which is what House Construction came to us and said if our kids would like to put in a time capsule into the house with a few bits and bobs, and that they chose to put in there, and they wrote a letter and what have you. So we actually put that in the cavity in behind the stairs. So building while we were still living in the home, it obviously had its interruptions, and it was very noisy, and there's a lot of banging and sawing and carrying on, but nothing lasts forever, and it's only short-lived. The team in general have been superb really. We would do it all over again, without a shadow of a doubt.